Hello, my name is Curt Davis. I'm the Director of Marketing and Product Management with KUHN and today I wanted to give you a brief overview of the Gladiator 1210. Okay, so on the sts-pro row unit we have a large 24-inch coulter that moves independently of the rest of the frame. Also, we have the floating row cleaners that move independently of the coulter and the frame itself. And that really produces a good strip. As we come back into the berm building row closing blades, we're allowed to keep these floating, or we can lock them in a position to really build that berm. Also have the ability to adjust the angle of the blades by hand very quickly and easily to produce a good berm out the back. And again, one of the features of the row unit is making these adjustments without the use of wrenches. So as we talk about the depth adjustment of the shank, we can quickly and easily adjust the shank depth by hand very quickly in the field. The last thing is the striker chain reel conditioning system. The chains move dynamically and allow mud and wet soil to exit but continue to condition the berm as we create a good strip behind the machine. So if you want to find out more about the Gladiator 1210 and see all the different working mechanisms of the row unit as well as the fertilizer offerings, please visit the KUHN dealers or visit us at KUHN.com.